Hello Tia, my name is Kenil and I'll be helping you to resolve the issue with your blue screen of death. Here we have the Lenovo system unit that we'll be doing the diagnosis on and also the solutions for the problem of the blue screen of death. So first we'll open the system unit. First diagnosis is that one of the problems could be an issue with the hard drive, and here is your hard drive, so you will push the lever back and take out the hard drive. So this could be one of the issues why you're seeing the blue screen of death. Be some issues with the hard drive, so you maybe have to replace it. So you would locate the SATA cable that should be connected to the hard drive, and here's the SATA port for the hard drive. Here's the SATA cable, so you will connect it, and then you'd locate the power supply that is going to the hard drive, and then here's the port for the power supply card, and you would install it. Okay, so you will just assemble back the front by pulling it over, and then the hard drive, you will just locate the slot, so you would place it inside the groove, ensure that it is nicely seated, and then you would hold the lever and give it a force down, ensure that it is nicely sit in the slot, and pull back the lever, push it down, and ensure that the lever is sit nicely into its slot. And then you would close the system unit and then connect it, and then it should work.